chilly, chilly, chilly. The sensation the person experiences might be burning, but chilly is what you feel if you're observing. If you're an observer, you touch a part, they may say it's hot, but actually it's frozen. They can also feel frozen, although the sensation on the surface part might be burning. The patient is cold and feels cold. Sounds contradictory, doesn't it? Icy cold. Somebody called Carbo Veg the corpse reviver. My teacher used to say, well, Jesus had this remedy up his sleeve when he got Lazarus out of the tomb. It's a corpse reviver. The person is airless. They have no air. They can't breathe. It's like they're suffocating, although there's air around. And the best way to relieve them is to fan air at them. And they're collapsed and they're cold. That's the extreme state. It's an extreme collapse state, the kind of thing that can happen in heart failure, congestive heart failure. It's a big remedy for people close to death. A first aid remedy for them. It can make the difference. It's also pretty major in exhausting diseases that leave you just wiped out and cold. Another area that's affected is the digestive tract, and it's simply not working. Everything turns to gas. So they're just belching continuously. Belching and belching and belching. They're sort of half dead alive. It's Carbo Veg.